Breaking news now, Kurdish protesters clash with the Turkish police in the southwest Turkey in the city of Van. Protests just began after the document found that the Turkish police executed 12 Kurdish students and they labeled them as a terrorist. Protests continuing right now and the Turkish police trying to crack down the protesters. More than 100 people so far has been arrested, but clash continuing. Breaking news now, document found that the Turkish regime executed 12 young Kurdish men in the city of Van, second largest Kurdish city in southeast Turkey. A statement by the Turkish local government in the city of Van described the youth as a member of terrorist organization and says the youth have been killed during the clash. But the pro-Kurdish Democracy Party HDP described the innocent as a mass execution. HDP says the youths were all shot in head. They are all young people in the civilian clothes. Not every single one of them can possibly be shot in head during a clash. This is not possible at all. And this is not a clash at all. This is a mass execution. Just few hours later, a document found by the fraud news agency published online showed a copy of Turkish police commander's Twitter account. Says that they executed 12 Kurdish young, and they are very proud of it. At the same time, in the Kurdish city of Slopi, which has been under curfew more than 30 days, and more than 70 Kurdish civilians have been killed, Turkish army showing off in the Kurdish town and verbally abusing the Kurdish people. We just gonna translate few part of it. They are saying everything, every time, everywhere, always, only Turks. On earth and in heaven, only Turks. We will never allow Kurds in Slopi to survive. We will fight till end. We swear that every place will remain Turkish land. For more breaking news and a video from Warzone in Turkey, follow us on Twitter, Botin Kursani at KursanNews24.